Hi everyone, my name is Melanie Castro Pacheco. I was born in Puerto Rico and lived there for about a year and a half. Shortly after, my mom joined the Air Force and we moved to Dayton, Ohio and lived on the military base located in that city. We lived there for about 3 years and then we moved to Central Florida. And I've lived there my whole life pretty much. My very first instrument was the guitar when I was in about 5th grade. Then when I started middle school, I switched to clarinet. And I wanted to be in the jazz band at my middle school, so I switched to the tenor saxophone. I continued to play the tenor sax and clarinet throughout high school. And in college, I also played both, but I majored in music performance with a focus in jazz studies. In college, I did learn how to play the piano, and a lot of my coursework focused on playing jazz tunes on the piano, so I'm quite comfortable on the piano. During my time in college, I started working as a marching band instructor at a high school. I was actually the woodwind instructor for our woodwind section. I worked at Cypress Creek High School for about 4 years. That was a really good experience. I loved my students. I also started to gig about the sophomore going into my junior year of college. I did that for about 2-3 years. Once I graduated from college, I started to work as a medical receptionist, and I've been doing that since 2016. The reason I picked St. Mary of the Woods was because the distance program worked for me really well. I can still maintain my full-time job and complete a degree or a certification like we're all doing. And I went into music therapy because I actually spent some time in a behavioral health hospital as a patient, and I felt that the hospital was lacking musical elements, specifically a therapeutic element of music. And that's where I decided that I could really do something with music and helping mental patients that are in facilities like the one I was in. And I always wanted to do something with music. I didn't want to be a performer, so I figured that music therapy would combine music, which I love, and also helping people. And that's pretty much it.